Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 27th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, linked at the end of this video down here in the corner. And also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, on the Euro Yen, I still think this looks like a downtrend. It definitely looks like five waves. You would definitely think that this is a wave A. You would definitely think that this is one up, three down, and another up for a possible wave B, and that we likely could get a Fibonacci bounce and a push down for a wave C, which would be a really nice trade if that did happen. The only problem is that the trend is definitely up on the higher time frames, and the problem with trading against the trend is you might see a pattern on the 1 hour that looks very clear, but then because the higher time frame is in an uptrend, it just keeps on going up. So I would be very, very cautious with my shorts. It definitely does not have to make a move to the downside. On the 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks like a wave A. It looks like a wave B. So if you do get a good Fibonacci bounce, especially if it's like a nice engulfing move to the downside, you could definitely try it as a short. But I still think that the better trades are going to be looking for longs every single chance you get because the trend is definitely up on these sort of time frames. So we'll see whether it plays out as an ABC correction or not. It could possibly make its way up to the 78% and then push down for the wave C also. So be a little bit cautious with your shorts because the higher time frame is definitely in a uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.